You know, today, I built an amazing traditional house. Let's go through step by step how I did it. First, I brought in all the huge wooden logs and beams with a crane. I carefully placed the large wooden pillars on the precast concrete foundation.
안 따진 거면 돼.
One of the unique things about this work of mine is that I didn't use any iron or nails in the frame. I hammered the grooved wooden parts together perfectly. I repeatedly measured the pillars with a leveler to make sure they were perfectly straight. After erecting the pillars and beams, I installed the pre-made bamboo and wooden lattices or frames for the walls in the gaps between the pillars and nailed them in place. These bamboo lattices will later hold the clay coating.
잘 내려보세요.
Now I went up to the roof. I made the main sloping structure of the roof with strong wooden rafters. Then I spread long wooden planks on it and started nailing them. I cut the extra wood neatly with a circular saw and made it even. Then I cleaned all the wood dust from the roof with a blower machine. To prevent water from falling through the roof, I first laid a white waterproof sheet. Then I built a wooden frame on top of it and made small huts. Do you know what I used to protect the house from the weather? Rice husk charcoal. I lifted huge sacks of this charcoal onto the roof with a crane and spread them evenly inside the huts. Then, I covered it with a white sheet again.
저 앞에 저거 하고 싶어. 그거 하고 내려와. 할 때 봐가지고 약간 안쪽으로 집어넣어버리면 그걸 좀 또 안 받았잖아. 5mm. 아니야, 내가 이게.
I placed a strong wooden board on top of the coal layer and nailed it in. Then I rolled a thick black waterproof membrane or sheet over it and spread it across the entire roof so that not a single drop of water could get inside. This time I did the most beautiful job on the roof. I arranged the traditional ceramic tiles in a very beautiful design from the bottom to the top of the roof. I finished the tiles at the top with cement.
됐어요. 됐어.
After finishing the roof work, I came down to build the walls. I mixed a special type of red clay, sand, and water, and made a great mixture with a mixer machine. Then I started rubbing the mud mixture on the bamboo lattice with a cornice. So that the wall would not crack when it dried, I placed a blue fiberglass mesh on top of the clay coating and applied a final coat of clay on top of it. I removed the clay that stuck around the wooden frame with a wet brush and made it perfect. Finally, I stood a little distance away and looked at my work. I was amazed to see this traditional house that I had built with my own hands, with a wooden frame, mud walls, and a tiled roof. If you like the video, please give it a like.